Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 Red M. First, understand that Red M is a community-driven modification that allows for unique multiplayer experiences beyond the base game. To begin, you will need a legitimate copy of Red Dead Redemption 2 installed on your computer. Once that is ready, your next step is to download the Red M client directly from its official source. This client is essential for accessing all the custom servers and content. Now, let's walk through the installation process. After downloading the Red M client, simply run the installer. It will guide you through a few simple steps. A crucial part is selecting the correct installation path for your Red Dead Redemption 2 game files. The installer will then handle the rest, downloading any additional components required. Once complete, you can create a convenient desktop shortcut, making it effortless to launch Red M whenever you wish to play. With Red M installed, you are ready to explore the vast world of custom servers. Launch the Red M client, and you will be presented with a server browser. Here, you can filter through hundreds of unique experiences, from intense roleplay to custom game modes. Pay attention to server descriptions, as some may require additional downloads or specific client settings. Simply click on a server that interests you and follow the on-screen prompts to connect and begin your adventure. Finally, the most exciting part, enjoying the Red M experience. Many servers focus on deep role-playing, allowing you to create a unique character and story within the Wild West. Remember to always respect the server's rules and the other players to ensure a positive environment for everyone. You will find a wealth of custom content, including new jobs, items, and even unique vehicles, adding countless hours of fun and replayability to your Red Dead Redemption 2 journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.